Hey guys, Braden Hedspeth here, broker with MarineMax Panama City Beach. I've got a new brokerage listing, Glacier Green. This is a 2021 with only 38 hours. It's got a 300 Mercury on the back. Let's step aboard and see what this boat has to offer. All right guys, here we are aboard this 2021 240 Vantage. Not many out there. As you can see, this boat is great for the island. You can fish off it. Great cockpit space. Does have a live well, transom seating with a table. So if you guys are entertaining, this is a great boat for it. If we move forward, as you can see, it's got a large headspace. It does have a pump out for the potty. Another great feature about this boat, you do have a nice lounge that is adjustable. Storage underneath. As we come to the helm, as you can see, it's got a 10-inch Garmin. This is an 86 series. It's the newest one they've got. And moving forward to the bow, plenty of lounging area. You got JL audio speakers throughout. You do have fresh water in the front as well as a windlass anchor. So this boat is Glacier Green. As you can look up top, they do have it color matched to the hardtop. Guys, this is Braden. Come see me, great opportunity. Not a lot of these boats out there. Call me 727-744-7304.